How to install 1 light LNC wood and metal pendant. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Align holes in the flat iron bracket and the screw. Then fix the flat iron bracket to the wooden frame with knob nuts. Pass the fixture wires through the chosen tubes. Then screw tubes onto the top of joint. Pass the fixture wires through the swivel joint and the canopy. Then screw the swivel joint snug onto tube. Install the bulb. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.